Hello everyone, so if you want to unlock your Vivo X80 Pro in different ways, first of all open up your settings. Now you gotta scroll down to your security tab, and here you will see a lot of options. So for example, first of all, let's go to the screen lock. We need to enter our password if you already have one. Here we have a couple choices, so none to deactivate your password, swipe, it deactivates your password as well, but now you will have to swipe up from the screen just to unlock it. Pattern, PIN, and complex password. So choose the one which suits best to you, and basically that's it. Now let's go to our biometrics. For example, fingerprint. If you want, you can add up a fingerprint here, or face recognition. Once again, if you need to enable it, simply tap here and enable it, just like this. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.